Okay, now in this video we are discussing concept of kurtosis. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of notes. You can contact us directly to me. My number is 900 936 8238, and you can contact anytime. Right now we are discussing about the concept of kurtosis, and we have already discussed about the skewness. Concept of kurtosis is described by the Professor Carl Pearson, and according to him, this is called the convexity of a curve because in the symmetry we see that the we have a symmetrical curve, but in the symmetry we see that we have a positive or the negative curve. But in the kurtosis, we have a degree of kurtosis. So in this one, we have a simple curve. It can be more bigger or it can be less bigger. So these are the kurtosis. So this is normal curve. It is called leptokurtic. This one is leptokurtic. The second one is platykurtic, which is the smaller one, platypus. This platykurtic, and this one is mesokurtic. With bigger one is mesokurtic. Okay, sorry. So actually, this is not a mesocultic. This is mesocultic. This one is lactocultic. Now you can see here the diagram. This one is lacto, means that the highly picked curve. Second one is the mesocultic, which was a normal curve, and the third one is the smaller curve or flat curve, which is called the platocultic. Plat- it is taking the name from the platypus. For measures of kurtosis, there are the different types of measurement. First one is Carl Pearson method. So these are the two methods. First, second one is the Cayley measures of kurtosis. Now the examples are given. If you are looking for the notes, you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the notes accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.